What do you get when you mix a shady Colombian with a dysfunctional U.S. asylum system? Well, Carlos Adolfo Herman Cardenis, a Colombian national residing in Doral, Florida, has pleaded guilty in federal court to 4 counts of orchestrating a scheme to submit dozens of false and fraudulent asylum applications to USCIS. In pleading guilty, Herman Cardenis admitted that he operated a business, first in Colombia and then in the United States, in which he charged fees to guide Colombian nationals through the U.S. visa and asylum application processes. According to USCIS, Herman Cardenis often embellished, and in some cases outright concocted, his asylum applicant clients' stories of persecution in Colombia to deceive U.S. immigration officers and to bolster his clients' chances of being granted asylum in the United States. He also frequently instructed his visa applicant clients to exaggerate or lie about their professional status, business interests in Colombia, and personal ties to the country in order to deceive U.S. immigration officers into believing that the applicants would return to Colombia without overstaying their visas. Herman Cardenis now faces a maximum statutory penalty of 10 years imprisonment and a $250,000 fine on each of the 4 counts. As an America First immigration and business attorney based in Miami and serving clients worldwide, I don't accept asylum cases because I think most of them are based on lies. And I don't think the criminal acts of Mr. Herman Cardenis, as bad as they are all that unusual. I therefore encourage federal authorities to continue investigating and prosecuting fraud in the system, especially as it relates to bogus asylum claims. And if you want to report suspected immigration benefit fraud or abuse, use the USCIS Tip Form, which you can find by Googling USCIS Tip Form. By the way, in case some of you are wondering, I realize that the overwhelming majority of Colombians aren't shady criminals like Mr. Herman Cardenis. Obviously. I actually spent a great deal of time in Colombia over the years, enjoyed it immensely until somebody tried to rob me on the street, and love my Colombian friends there and here in the United States. Follow for more.